is it?
Say,
What is it?
hey, why it's Buttercup. Popcorn, add sweet green butter to hot popcorn. Mix it up, wrap it up, Buttercup is born.
It's delicious.
So nutritious.
It's a taste delight.
It's so munchy,
Crisp and crunchy.
you'll enjoy each bite. Eat butter-drenched Buttercup popcorn at its best.
Served in a king-size cup.
It beats all.
Here's a new taste treat. The corn dog. Plump, juicy wieners are dipped in a thick, golden southern-style corn batter that seals in all their freshness and flavor. If you like hot dogs, you'll love corn dogs. Everybody does. Try a corn dog with your favorite beverage. At the refreshment corner now. Corn dogs.
A key consideration in building any outdoor theater is screen size. There are a lot of details to consider, but a good rule of thumb is to build it as big as you can afford. For this project, we decided on a 20-foot diagonal in a 16:9 aspect ratio.
Level.
I'm just gonna follow you up. Okay, you got both hands on it?
All right, yay!
After building a screen, choosing the right equipment is critical. I chose the Epson Home Cinema 880 projector for its low initial cost. After using this projector a number of times, I can list with confidence the main pros and cons. Brightness is rated at 3300 lumens. It is very bright even with some fading daylight in the early evening. Lamp replacement cost is very cheap compared to some manufacturers. The picture is rated up to 386 inches diagonally, and I believe it. Although I have only tested it to 240 inches, I am confident it would achieve a much bigger picture. On the con side, having only one HDMI input is inconvenient and can be annoying. The focus control is not very fine, and it can be tricky to set it just right. Overall, I think this is a great projector if you're doing an outdoor movie theater. It's big picture, it's bright, reasonably good quality, and I definitely would recommend it. I use a small portable FM transmitter plugged into a 3.5mm audio jack to transmit sound to the vehicles parked in the drive-in. For clean power delivered in a remote location, we chose an inverter generator, the Furman 3650IR. It provides plenty of clean power to operate the projector and the sound system. Once the screen is built and the projection equipment and other related equipment is in place, the only thing left to do is pop the popcorn and drive out to enjoy your movie theater.
That does you anything?
It's the outhouse.
Really?